Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study with LingQ. First, choose a language you want to learn and find content that genuinely interests you, whether it's articles, podcasts, or books. Then, either import your own material or select from LingQ's extensive library. Make sure to install the LingQ browser extension for easy importing of web pages and other texts directly into your lessons. Once you're in a lesson, you'll see words highlighted in blue. These are new words. Click on them to create a LingQ, which is your personal flashcard. You can use the provided hints to understand their meaning. As you learn, move words from new to learning and eventually to known to track your progress effectively. Regular review is crucial for retention. LingQ offers various flashcard activities to help you solidify new vocabulary. Dedicate time to both listening to the audio and rereading the text to reinforce your understanding. The platform also tracks your progress, showing you how many words you've learned in your daily activity, which helps maintain motivation. To truly maximize your learning, don't hesitate to import your own content, like articles or YouTube transcripts, making your study highly personalized. Engage with the LingQ community. It's a great place to ask questions and connect with other learners. Most importantly, establish a consistent daily routine, even if it's just for 15 to 20 minutes to ensure steady progress.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.